Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got an IBM Selectric 3 that we're going to do a video assessment on. The customer is a couple hundred miles away, so we're going to do this and he can look at this at his leisure. First thing I noticed, there's a Selectric 3. It won't come on. It's not turning on. I didn't try to force it to come on yet. It looks like the motor is gummed up. But a couple odd things to note right away is when I removed the bottom case, took it out of the case, I noticed a pile of oil over here, and this corresponds to a pile of oil over here. Right there, it's still dripping oil. So somebody tried to clean this, because then also in this case somebody along the lines took the feet off the back and put them on the front. So these are, get this mess out of here so I can flip this around. Those feet are supposed to be, these feet are not supposed to be bolted here. It's already got feet. These feet are supposed to be bolted here and here. So somebody, I don't know, these must have come off or something, and I don't know why they would put them here instead of back here. But no big deal, just something I noticed, which means somebody non-IBM related took a stab at fixing this and failed. Okay, let's see what's wrong with the motor first. We gotta get this cranked up and see what happens here first. So I did touch the motor, and it's pretty gummed up or something, because it's frozen pretty solid. There it goes. Got it to turn. It's still pretty stiff. Oh, it's freeing up. That's just my hand. It's gonna start now because it's free now, so it should start. It's trying to start. Okay, there it goes. That's good. It's not thumping. That's good. Let's turn this guy around and see what else is happening now that it's alive. The first thing I want to do, I guess, maybe is put a hand crank in here and see how hard what kind of resistance it has in its idle position. There's something happening here, because it was pretty stiff. I think the shift clutch is messing up over here. See right there, it's bound up, and I think it's the shift. It's not coming on. There it goes. Okay. Yeah, the shift doesn't feel right. All right, that's one thing. Let's see if it's space here, space bar. All right, backspace, yes. Tab, yes. Return, yes. All right, these are all good signs. Let's take a look at the clutch here and stuff. Doesn't feel too bad. Looks like the timing's off. The shaft should be forward more. Oh, somebody definitely worked on this piece right here. I wonder if somebody had the shaft out of here. There's no way to get this piece, I don't think, over this piece right here that I'm wiggling right there. Right there. It's supposed to be on this side of this cam. Well, let me try turning it manually. But I don't. Yeah, there's no way to get this piece on the right side here without taking the shaft out. Without taking this whole shaft out. Somebody took this shaft out and has been working on this. That's unusual. Okay. Surprised it's working like that. It's not interfering with. Right. Huh. Interesting. Okay, but at least it's running. I think I can. It's not a deal breaker, but it does kind of fit into the why there's oil over here. Massive amount of oil. Probably oiled this up like crazy. Probably was binding or something over here. Alright, so we got to investigate that. I'm a little worried about this hub, but it looks like it's looks like it's okay. It's got one hairline crack. Let me clean that off a little bit, and we'll take a closer look at it. And see if that hub needs any kind of. Okay, let's take a look at this. That's got one, this crack's coming out pretty far. That one's not too bad. Okay. It looks alright. The belt looks, it could be replaced. All this stuff could be replaced. But it's probably good enough for now. We'll give them the option whether to replace that or not. Impression cable is working. Let's try and see if it's working up top. Okay, this is not too bad, but somebody definitely got active here. The impression cable's working. And let's take this out of here. Something was wrong here in the keyboard too. All the leaves are off here. The spring's not all the way off, but all these leaves are in the wrong position. So it's got to be attended to, or it's not going to work like that right there. Any of these that are not over those little silver tabs are not going to work. So I don't know how they got off. Yeah, they're sticky. You can feel them. Let's try these on the end over here. Probably could use a keyboard flush, I guess. I'll have to check that a little more. And it's just dirty. Oh, it was missing the operational covers down here too. I didn't take these off. So these were all missing. So that's probably related to the attempted service on this. Just got the light bulb to work. It wasn't working, but they just need to be pushed in. So they just need to be pushed in. That's all that was wrong there. Dual pitch is working. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to make a more detailed estimate on this guy. Okay. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.